Hi everyone. Today start now the new article is the decimal to octal conversion. Okay, you know that in previous lecture decimal number system and octal number system. Okay, in that in decimal number system in that consists of the 10 digits. Okay, 0 to 9. That means a total 10 digits. So decimal number systems radix is the 10. Okay, and second octal number system. Okay, you know that the octal number system in that consists of 8 digits 0 to 7. Okay, and so these octal number systems radix or base is the 8. Okay, this is the uh, decimal and octal numbers. Okay, here see the given number is the decimal number and this decimal numbers is converted to the octal number. Okay, in that the whole decimal number and fractional decimal number conversion method are different. Okay, whole decimal number and fractional decimal number. Okay, fractional that means the in that consist of the decimal point. Okay, and whole decimal that means the in that do not consist to the decimal point. Okay, in that first whole decimal number conversion method is discussed. Okay, firstly discuss to the whole decimal number conversion and then the fractional decimal number method is डिस्कस्ड. ओके, वन बाय वन आपण बघणार आहे. याच्यामध्ये फर्स्टला होल डेसिमल नंबरचं कन्व्हर्जन बघणार आहे, कन्वर्ट टू दी ऑक्टल नंबर. देन द फ्रॅक्शनल डेसिमल नंबर मेथड इज कन्वर्ट टू दी ऑक्टल नंबर system. Okay, in that first we see the whole decimal number conversion to octal number. Okay, in that a systematic method to convert whole decimal number into octal number is the octal-table method. It is a octal-table method or repeated division by 8 method. Okay, that means the it is octal-table method, or that means the in this type of the conversion, convert to the whole decimal number into the octal number system, it is also called as a octal-table method, or it is also known as the repeated division by 8 method. Repeated division by 8. ओके, दॅट मीन्स आपण याच्यामध्ये काय करणार आहे, 8ने ह्याला रिपीटेड काय करत जाणार आहे, आपण डिवाइड करत जाणार आहे. ओके, अँड इट इज पॉप्युलर मेथड. ओके, दॅट मीन्स द दिस मेथड इज यूज्ड इन अ कॉमन. ओके, that means it is a popular method also. Okay, in this method whole number is progressively divided by 8 until there is whole number constant and writing down the remainder after each division. Okay, that means in this type of method, in that whole number is प्रोग्रेसिवली डिवाइड बाय 8. दॅट मीन्स जो गिवन नंबर असेल डेसिमल नंबर त्याला आपण काय करणार आहे, 8नी डिवाइड करणार आहे. ओके, अँड डिवाइड बाय द 8 अंटील देर इज होल नंबर कॉन्झियंट. आपण डिवाइड केल्यानंतर काय निघतो त्याच्यामध्ये बाकी, दॅट मीन्स द कॉन्झियंट अँड रायटिंग डाऊन द रिमाइंडर. ओके, ऑल्सो राईट डाऊन दी रिमाइंडर आफ्टर इच डिव्हिजन. म्हणजे आपण याच्यामध्ये सिम्पली काय करत जाणार आहे, गिवन जो डेसिमल नंबर असेल त्याला 8ने आपण डिवाइड करत जाणार आहे. ओके, आपण याच्या अगोदर कन्व्हर्जन बघितलं होता. कुठलं कन्व्हर्जन बघितलं होतं, डेसिमल टू बायनरी. ओके, त्याच्यामध्ये आपण काय केलं, 2ने डिवाइड करत गेलो होतो. ओके, इथं आपण कन्वर्ट कशामध्ये करतो आहे, ऑक्टल नंबर. सो याच्यामध्ये 8ने आपण काय करत जाणार आहे, डिवाइड करत जाणार आहे. ओके, त्याच्यामध्ये येणारा जो कॉन्जेंट असेल तो प्रत्येक कॉन्जेंटला 2ने डिवाइड केल्यानंतर येणारा जो रिमाइंड असेल तो नोट डाऊन केला जाणार आहे याच्यामध्ये. ओके, देन the remainder is taken in reverse order or count of method to from the octal number. ओके, मग आपल्या ह्याच्यामध्ये आपण डिवाइड बाय 8 जी डिव्हिजन आपली कंप्लीट होणार आहे त्याच्यानंतर त्याच्यामधला जो रिमाइंडर असेल तो आपण टेकआउट करणार आहे, टेकन टू दी रिव्हर्स ऑर्डर. ओके, रिव्हर्स ऑर्डर दॅट मीन्स दी काउंट डाऊन टू दी अप. ओके, डाऊन टू दी अप आपण काय करणार आहे, याच्यामधला जो रिमाइंडर असेल तो नोट डाऊन करणार आहे. ओके, फ्रॉम टू दी ऑक्टल नंबर अँड विच इज सेम ॲज दॅट ऑफ दी डेसिमल टू बायनरी नंबर कन्व्हर्जन. ओके, हे कन्व्हर्जन कसं आहे, सेम आपण डेसिमलचं कन्व्हर्जन बायनरीमध्ये पाहिलं. ओके, सेम फक्त त्याच्यामध्ये आपण काय करत होतो, 2ने डिवाइड करत होतो बिकॉज ऑफ दी कन्वर्ट टू दी बायनरी number. Here divide by 8 because of the convert to the octal number. Okay, this procedure is explained, okay, with the following different examples. आपण एक्झाम्पल बघून हे कन्व्हर्जन बघणार आहे जेणेकरून तुम्हाला लगेच अंडरस्टँड होईल. ओके, इन दॅट गिव्स टू दी कन्वर्ट द होल डेसिमल नंबर इन टू ऑक्टल नंबर. ओके, 2 नंबर्स दिलेले आहेत 25 अँड 16. हा कसला नंबर आहे, 25 इज द होल डेसिमल नंबर म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये पॉईंट आहे का, डेसिमल पॉईंट आहे का, नाही आहे. ओके, म्हणजे हा डेसिमल होल डेसिमल नंबर झाला 25 अँड 16. फर्स्ट वी सी द एक्झाम्पल इज द 25. ओके, हिअर 25 डिवाइड बाय 8. 25ला आपण काय करतोय, 8ने डिवाइड करतोय. ओके, कॉन्झियंट काय येतोय हो, 8 3 25, sorry 8 3 24. So consonant is 3 and remainder is 1. Here note down the remainder is 1. Okay, again 3 is the consonant. Okay, 3 consonants divide by 8. Okay, 8 ने 3 ला डिवाइड होणार आहे का हो, नाही आहे. सो कॉन्झियंट इज 0 अँड रिमाइंडर इज 3. ओके, इथं आपलं डिव्हिजन हे कंप्लीट झालेलं आहे. सो इन दॅट गिव्स टू दी कॉन्झियंट अँड अगेन डिवाइड टू दी 8. कॉन्झियंटला आपण काय करतोय, 8ने डिवाइड करतोय, येणारा रिमाइंडर आपण काय करतोय, नोट डाऊन करतोय. ओके, मग याच्यामध्ये रिमाइंडर काय आलेलं आहे बघा, 1 and 3. ओके, दिस रिमाइंडर इज नोट डाऊन इज द रिव्हर्स ऑर्डर, दॅट मीन्स to the down to the up. Okay, this is the octal number. So hence the octal number is the down to the up, that means the 3 1. 31 is the octal number system. Okay, 31 is the octal number system. Given 25 number is the decimal number system, and this decimal number systems convert to the octal number system is the 31. Okay, and it is the base or radix of the octal number system, and 25 is, this is the decimal number system, base or radix is the 10. Okay, so given decimal number is the 25 and convert to the octal number is the 31. Okay, this is the first example of convert to the decimal to the octal number system. Okay, now see the second example is the 16. Okay, here this 16 decimal number, given 16 is the decimal number, divide by 8. Okay, 8 2 are 16. So here consonant is the 2 and remainder is the 0. Note down the remainder is 0. Here see the note down remainder is 0, and this consonant 2 again divide by 8. Okay, so here consonant is 0 and remainder is 2. Okay, here division is the completed of given decimal number. Okay, so this remainder is note down to the reverse order, that means the down to the up. Okay, hence the octal number is the 2 0. Given decimal number is the 16 and this decimal number systems convert to the octal number system is the 20. Okay, so this is the second example here completed. This is the whole decimal number conversion to the octal number system. Okay, then second you see the fractional decimal number conversion to octal number system. Okay, fractional, that means in that consists of the decimal point. Okay, in that a systematic and popular method to convert the fractional decimal number to octal number is repeated multiplication by 8. Okay, that means in that this systematic and popular method to convert the fractional decimal number, fractional decimal, that means in that consists of the decimal point. Okay, and in that octal number is repeated multiplication by 8. Okay, in the whole decimal number system repeated divide by 8, and here in the fractional number system repeated multiplication by 8. In this method given fractional decimal number is multiplied by 8 and then multiplying each resulting fractional part of the product by 8 until the fractional product is 0 or until the desired number of decimal place is reached, and writing down the carry digit after each multiplication in front of that. That means each and every multiplication note down to the carry. Okay, then the carries are taken in as it is or count down method to from the octal number. Okay, count down, that means the up to the down. आपण याचा कॅरी कसा नोट डाऊन करणार आहे, तर अप टू दी डाऊन. ओके, इन दॅट द कन्वर्ट द फ्रॅक्शनल डेसिमल नंबर इन टू ऑक्टल नंबर यूज टू द डिफरंट एक्झाम्पल. In that the first example is 0.695 and second example is the 0.18. Okay, you see the first example is 0.695. Okay, in this system or in this conversion multiply the each digit in a 8. Okay, so here right now the 0.695 multiply 8 and calculation gives to the 5.560. Okay, in this calculation 5 is the carry. So note down to the carry is the 5 and remaining digit in a fractional number 560. Again multiply 8. Okay, so here right now the 0.560 multiply 8. Okay, calculation gives to the 4.480. In that the carry is gives to the 4. So note down the carry is the 4 and fractional number is the 480. This fractional number is again multiplied to the 8 and here shows the 0.480 multiply 8 is equal to 3.840 and note down the carry is the 3. Okay, here note down the carry 5, 4 and 3. Okay, this carry is right now in a octal number is the up to the down sequential. Okay, in that the 0.543, this is the octal number. Okay, in a given decimal number is 0.695, convert to the octal number is the 0.543 and 8 is the base or radix of the octal number system. Okay, in this way, second example, in this way second example is 0.18. Okay, so this decimal number, given decimal number 0.18 is multiplied to the 8. Okay, and calculation gives to the 1.44. In this calculation carry is 1. So 1 is the note down. Then fractional number 44 again multiply to the 8. Okay, and this multiplication is 0.44 multiply 8 is equal to 3.52. Okay, in that the carry is note down here 3 is the note down the carry and fractional number 52 again multiply 8 and 0.42 multiply 8 is equal to 4.16. Okay, and in this calculation carry is note down here 4 is the carry, 1, 3 and 4. This is the different carries is the note down here and right now the up to the down number is the 1, 3, 4. This is the octal number system. Given decimal number system is the 0.18 is converted to the octal number system is 0.134. 8 is the base or radix of octal number system. Okay, in that the convert the real decimal number into octal number. Okay, real decimal number into the octal number and given number is the 13.89. In that the whole number, decimal whole number is the 13 and fractional number is the 89. Okay, in that here in the beginning convert the whole number. Okay, in that firstly beginning convert to the whole number in decimal whole number is the 13 into the octal number and it is as follows. Okay, in that means the firstly convert to the whole decimal number. Okay, and whole decimal number is 13. So here convert to the octal number system. Here used to the divide by 8. Okay, so 13 divided by 8 is equal to 1. That means the here 1 is the quotient and 5 is the remainder. Okay, and again 1 divided by 8, 0 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. Okay, and in that the remainder is note down down to the up. Okay, that means the 1, 5. Given whole decimal number is 13 is convert to the octal number is the 15. Okay, then convert to the fractional decimal number. Okay, firstly the convert to the whole decimal number and second we see the convert to the fractional decimal number is the 0.625 into the octal number and it is as the follow. That means the here fractional decimal number convert to the octal number. Okay, in that the multiply 8. Okay, in that given number is 0.89 multiply 8. Okay, is equal to 7.12. Okay, is equal to 7.12. In that 12 is the in that the 7 is the carry and 12 is the fractional number. This fractional number again multiply to the 8. Okay, 0.12 multiply 8 is equal to 0.96. Carry is the note down, 0 is the carry and fractional number 0.96 multiply 8 is equal to 7.68, and note down the carry is the 7. 7 number is the repeated here. So stop here calculation and note down the carry is the up to the down sequence. So here right now the 0.707, this is the octal number system of the given fractional decimal number. Okay, firstly whole number decimal number is converted to the octal number, then fractional decimal number is converted to the octal number. So here therefore the real octal number is formed by the arranging whole and fractional octal number is the 15.707. okay, that means the given real decimal number is the 13.89 is converted to the octal number is the 15.707. okay, got it all of you? This conversion, the decimal to octal conversion. Simply in that given number is the decimal number and convert to the octal number. okay, that means octal numbers radix or base is the 8. So given decimal numbers in a whole decimal numbers convert to the octal number, so divide by 8. okay, and note down the in that the remainder. okay, and remainder is finally write now the down to the up direction. okay, then second, the fractional decimal number convert to the octal number. In that this given fractional decimal number is multiply 8. okay, and write now the carry. okay, given in each calculation gives fractional decimal number. okay, again multiply to the 8 and note down the carry. okay, and this carry is right now the up to the down sequence. okay, then again in that whole real decimal number, that means in that consists of whole decimal number and fractional decimal number. So whole decimal numbers divide by 8 and fractional decimal number multiply by 8. दोन्ही मेथड काय करायच्या सेपरेटली कॅल्क्युलेशन करायचं, सेपरेटली त्याचा ऑक्टल नंबर आपण कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा and then finally result right now करायचा. okay, simply I think this conversion is got it all of you. okay, I think this conversion is here completed. okay, stop here. Thank you all of you.